I didn't even have like I was like, ooh, that's a pretty far, and then I'm
God,
like
that's a
fucking
lot of
frozen.
balls. What the fuck?
That's going on the quote page, I think.
I love it. That's a lot of balls. Yeah, sounds like you entered the shower room at the gym.
Flower.
Hello, boys.
the
Oh,
hollow
that's
one,
a lot
the
of
hollow one.
balls.
2 yards by your English.
She does the anime with like wind sword technique.
Oh, yeah. Fucking
Shing, shing,
Yasuo
chong, shing.
wannabe. Fucking Felix immediately to racism, like.
What? Oh, she's doing
The
sword
anime
sounds.
ching chong ching chong. How is
Sword.
that remotely not racist?
I said shing, 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 shing.
Yeah.
That's sword fucking sounds. Have you never heard a sword in real? Shing, shing, shing. You guys have never heard a sword in real, wow.
Don't fall off.
I don't know what to do.
Orkar inte. Orkar inte.
Vad hände?
Jag satt och kollade på han Dratnos videoserna, vad man skulle pulla.
Aha, okej.
Men jag kommer inte ihåg något, så det hjälper inte.
Vad fan nämnde du för då?
Jag ville bara styla lite, jag försökte
Ja,
lära mig.
jag vet, men jag vet inte. Ja.
Oh, they reported incoming. We have 4 people there at least. Don't die, man. Lumbermill
Smell
needs you.
punch.
What was that? You damage or something? Really?
Save him!
Oh, the chocolate really hit me. Woo. Oh, come on, man. I'm dying here.
Just like it went quiet for a minute and then I just there.
I was drinking. Oh. Oh, I'm getting hiccups.
Oh no.
We can
Hopefully.
make it. Yeah, dodge those, dodge those.
Dodge face.
Oh my god, this hurts.
Keep tanking DPS up. One healer could DPS all
Bark
the
is
time.
up. Bark is up.
Yeah, I have cooldown, it's fine.
Okay.
Fine.
One boy. One healer
Rough
DPS,
stab,
all healers
rough stab.
DPS. The most scuffed shit ever.
Holy shit.
Crit haste, oh my god! Det där är sick för mig.
Ha? Vad fick du?
Vilken fin jävla ring kan jag säga.
Nice. Samma som Erik fick tror jag.
Frågan är vilken ring jag vill byta ut. Jag har en... Nu skrattar vi faktiskt. Medical condition. Vad slaggar du?
206 eye level. How much dick has that guy sucked? He has fucking...
He's got a Mythic
Fucking-
Plus group right there.
Yeah, he's got a Mythic Plus group, yeah, for sure.
Someone has sped fed him loot or spoon
Sped
fed fucking hell.
food.
I pulled him English good.
But my tab target wants to hit all the urns before the mobs.
Yep. Oh, I'm killing myself. That was Shadow Death, ladies and gentlemen.
I don't know how big his hitbox box.
Words.
Oh, dude. That was good.
English me proud.
Oh, it's getting late. It's getting late.
It's getting laid.
Late.
Who is getting laid?
Late.
Scammed by Blizzard again. There's your corpse in the corner there. It looks so sad.
De slår så jäkla långt gör de.
Jag shape-shotar den här jäveln. Döda han.
De här leder av long arm syndrom.
Den här kommer göra dig till nötter.
Berätta.
Den här kommer göra dig till nötter.
Säg det igen.
Den här kommer göra dig till nötter.
Ta några. Den sprang rätt förbi dig.
Den här kommer göra dig till nötter. Den här kommer göra dig till nötter.
Men fan 3 stycken ute ju!
Ja, det jag säger.
Jävla sjukt eller?
Nej.
Hoppar du utanför eller?
Orkar inte. Jävla kuk.
Can you mind soothe any mob?
Yes.
Only humanoids.
Not undead.
Yes, only human.
Let's have a look.
Can we cage the big one undeads?
Yes.
I can shackle them, yeah. Humanoid and dragon can be random.
Which ones are you talking about?
The big ones that like puke and shit themselves.
Oh yes.
Oh, those mobs, lol.
You understand which one I mean?